Hello, welcome back. Today I will be giving you more explanation on how to use your VS Code. So after opening our folder and the files and the likes, so the first thing to do is creating the HTML skeleton, which entails the HTML opening element and the closing element attacks. So and the head, the body, the title. So the first is our HTML opening tag. So don't forget, every opening tag must has a closing tag. Every opening tag must has a closing tag. So you have the HTML opening tag and the closing tag, which encase our code. So the upper one and the first one and the last one is the casing of our HTML, which determine everything that we are doing in between it. So followed by the head, so the opening and closing tag of the head, which always entails everything that will be done about the CSS. Then the body entails everything that will be viewed in our browser, So the HTML, the body contains anything written between the body, contains everything that is going to show in our screen and the likes. So the title opening tag and closing tag entails everything that will be viewed, that will be showed in our title bar in our browser. So everything in between the head, as I've told you, is what usually CSS tags. Just like the title here is a CSS tag. So as we have first work in between the title, so in our browser also we will be having first work. So in our browser, in the title bar, we'll also be having first work. So if I'm to view this now, I will just click on this folder icon, then I'll click on my file that I've already opened, then copy path. I'll copy the path, I'll click on copy path, then I'll paste it in the search column in my browser. Then I'll load. Then when I load, then it will show me what all I've done. So as you can see here, I have first work here. So also in my browser here, I also have first work. In my title bar here, I also have first work. So if I want to change it to okay, we have first work here, we have first work also here. So if I want to change it to new tutorial now, let me change it to new tutorial. So if I'm to refresh, I will just refresh. I don't need to copy it again. I will just refresh. So you can see now I have new tutorial here. Also in my browser here, I also have new tutorial. So the body is empty. The screen is empty because there's nothing in between our body here. So